Mechanical keyboards are becoming increasingly popular with gaming and typing enthusiasts alike. They offer superior typing performance with each keystroke registering reliably and accurately. Features such as tactile feedback, individual key switches and actuators, and a choice of various switch types make mechanical keyboards better suited for gaming and typing than traditional keyboards. Mechanical keyboards provide superior durability, which can easily last more than a decade or longer with proper maintenance. Their keys are more reliable, meaning they will never fail or break even after frequent use. Mechanical keyboards are also aesthetically pleasing due to their bright and vibrant lighting, which can be customized to various colors and patterns. Their sleek designs make them attractive to gamers and PC enthusiasts. Furthermore, mechanical keyboards are known for their impressive performance when playing games such as MOBAs, FPS, RTS games due to their precise control and accuracy of each keystroke. Aside from gaming, mechanical keyboards are also preferred for typing due to the distinct tactile feedback and response which makes them more comfortable for prolonged use. Mechanical keyboards can be used in both home, office, and gaming settings and are ideal for avid gamers and content creators alike. The versatility of mechanical keyboards makes them great for multitasking as they can easily switch between typing, gaming, programming, and other activities with only minor adjustments in settings. Their adjustable height and angle allows for a custom-made ergonomic experience, resulting in longer and more comfortable gaming sessions and typing sprees. With this, frequent typers and gamers can minimize fatigue, wrist pain, and hand cramps. The choice of different switch types provides different tactile experiences, sound, and responsiveness. With this, users can truly choose the keyboard that is right for them. Mechanical keyboards are also quieter than traditional keyboards, making them great for noisy environments or those who don't want to disturb their neighbors. Furthermore, mechanical keyboards come with an array of features, such as full N-key rollover, anti-ghosting technology, macro programming, and media keys. The media keys allow users to quickly access their audio, videos, and other media while gaming or typing. With their programmable macro keys, mechanical keyboards help users save time, as they can quickly execute numerous keystrokes with one button press. Mechanical keyboards are suitable for any budget as they come in various price ranges, from budget-friendly models to more expensive, high-end ones. Additionally, mechanical keyboards come in either wired or wireless versions. The wired versions are ideal for those who don't want to deal with charging or buying extra parts, while the wireless models have a smaller footprint and are more aesthetically pleasing. As for portability, mechanical keyboards can be easily dismantled and packed for transport that is convenient for traveling and LAN parties. Mechanical keyboards also come in a variety of case options, from plastic or metal, to those made of wood or bamboo. These materials add a premium, elegant look to mechanical keyboards, while also providing additional stability and durability. This makes it easier for users to create the perfect setup that can also double as a decoration piece and conversation starter. With their great features, reliability, and cost efficiency, mechanical keyboards are an attractive option for anyone looking for the perfect gaming or typing experience. With their choice of switches, and key rollover, anti-ghosting, and programmable macros, mechanical keyboards offer great gaming performance and response times. They are ideal for serious and competitive gamers who require consistent and precise keystrokes.